Phantom Wallet is primarily a Solana wallet but supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polygon. This guide explains setting up a new wallet, securing it, and using its features. Start by opening Phantom Wallet mobile app. Press Create a new wallet. You will have two options. Either continue with email or create a seed phrase wallet. Totally depends on your personal preference, but seed phrase wallet is recommended. You can enable biometrics or Face ID for an extra layer of security. Make sure to safeguard your recovery phrase, as this phrase allows you to restore your wallet on any device. Write it down and keep it in a secure location. If lost, you cannot recover your assets. Also, do not share your recovery phrase, as anyone with it can access your wallet. Once you are in, first thing is to toggle networks like Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin on or off. Phantom Wallet is mainly a Solana wallet, but you can also send or receive other assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. One more feature of Phantom Wallet is that you can add multiple accounts. To do so, tap on Account on the top left, then tap on Add or Connect Wallet. Keep in mind that all accounts are linked to the same recovery phrase but have unique public addresses. So each time you want to trade something, make sure that you are in the right account. Now, to send or receive tokens, there are few methods. Number one method is to purchase within Phantom Wallet. Tap on the asset you want to buy and then tap on the buy button. Enter the amount and follow the on-screen instructions. While we are talking about sending and receiving tokens, how exactly can you withdraw the assets from your Phantom Wallet to your bank account or some other platforms? Phantom is a blockchain wallet and all the assets here are crypto. That means no connection with any bank account. So we need to transfer our assets to some exchange that lets us sell that for fiat currency. Then send that fiat currency to our bank account. Platforms like Binance or Coinbase are the most popular exchange platforms that let us do these conversions. For this video, let's use Binance. Before that, make sure your assets are in major crypto like Solana or USDC. These two are going to be accepted among all major exchanges. Simply open Binance app, log into your account, tap on Deposit, then select Solana and select Solana as your network. Then copy your address and paste it in the Phantom Wallet. Then proceed with the transaction. Once you have received the asset in your Binance, head over to P2P. Select Solana as your asset and select Sell as your action. Now choose the merchant with the highest positive rating. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Choose your bank and enter account details. Then, after placing your order, wait for the merchant to send funds to your account. Upon receiving, confirm and tap on Payment Received. Now let's have a look at other options in Phantom Wallet. We have an inbuilt swap feature that you can access by tapping on the swap icon on the bottom of your screen. Here, you can choose the token you want to swap, and on the top right, you have slippage settings. Now, slippage is the difference between the price quote you are given here and the actual price given on the blockchain. Now, Phantom Wallet charges too much fee if we compare with other decentralized exchanges. That's why I will recommend using other decentralized exchanges. Tap on the browser in the bottom right and click on Jupiter. Now, it will connect me to decentralized exchange on Solana. Now we can connect our Phantom Wallet. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to swap tokens in. Then proceed with the swap of our tokens. This way, you can save extra fees that you have to pay in the Phantom Wallet. So this was the tutorial on how to set up and use Phantom Wallets. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video.